Hey everyone, it's Internet Adam.
And Craig.
We're for Bowling Green Chevrolet. All right.
Right. Hey, what are we going to talk about today, Adam?
Lincolns at Bowling Green Chevrolet. Ford, Lincoln, Mercury. We got them all. We got a Lincoln here though. MK. What is it? It's the car version. MK what?
It's the MKZ. I know a lot about this. I traded for it. It was a local trade. Young couple came in and they traded it. All-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive car.
Oh, you talk about sharp. Tuxedo black in color with light dune leather seats.
Yeah.
Leather, guys. This is a beautiful, beautiful car. Did I mention those seats were heated, Adam?
No.
Oh, absolutely, they're heated. You know, great motor car. It's got navigation on it. It's got a moonroof. You know, great fuel economy. You got the 2.0 turbocharged engine on it. Yeah, 22 around town, 31 on the highway. Even comes with sync. You know, what is sync? Oh, that's the Bluetooth. I can pair my phone and make calls. Did you know that?
You can call your wife or your husband when you're running late, coming home and say, "Don't worry, I'll be there soon, and I'm bringing food." Things like that.
Absolutely.
Oh my gosh.
No.
Life is getting easier.
Easier. The trunk in these MKZs are huge. I mean huge. 7 golf bags at least.
7 golf bags. We need to let's try that out. Yeah.